Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import filament profile to Creality Print. So this is the easiest way to load a downloaded profile directly into the user interface. So what we are going to do is head over here to the file at the top left corner, click on it, then import and select import configs. Just like so. Now what you need to do is just find your configuration in your Explorer in your computer. It needs to be JSON file or profile file, and then what you are going to do is just click on open like so. Now it's not finding because I didn't select anything. So, but if you have it, you will get a success message that your custom configuration was imported successfully. Now what you're going to do is open your filament drop-down menu and you will scroll past the system profiles. Your new imported settings will be listed under user presets. So as you can see here, you will see user preset and you will see here the new imported file. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.